Children, now let's go to the next object, that is exactly 14th object it seems. Just imagine a balloon, go straight, touch the top line, take a turn, come, take a turn at middle line, touch the base line, go and complete. Now we will get the oval in 45 degree angle. Don't lift, go on the same line, just come out, go up like this, take a turn, just come like this, you will have a space and you have to maintain the same size and the angle for the second balloon. Go up, turn, come, maintain the size and the angle. Go up, touch, turn, maintain the angle and the size. Go up, turn, form a oval, you will get a balloon. Go up, turn, come out, go up, turn, come out, go up, turn, come out, go up, turn. So none of the balloons will have a round shape. All the balloons are in the oval shape and it is tilted towards right hand side and the string is attached. Just imagine. Okay? Clear? Very good. Super. Now the 15th object. So far we have learned only objects patterns. Okay? We have not even learned any alphabets so far. So now I am going to give you a chance for you to win a gift. Now I will write a small object here and you have to guess me what that object could be. Can anyone guess what this object can be? Can anyone guess what that object can be? What is that? What is that? No, I said it is an object, not an alphabet. So you can't say J. So try to imagine some kind of object. Let's see who is winning the gift from me. Are you ready? Guess. Okay, I will give you a clue. So in the 15th object so far we have learned, there was one part of an animal which has been drawn. What is that? Yes, elephant, right. Now just imagine this is the another part of the same elephant. Now what is that? Yes, it is a trunk of an elephant. So it goes like this, start from middle, go to down, take a turn, leave like this, down, leave like this, down, leave like this, go, leave like this, middle, straight, turn, leave like this, middle, straight, 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 leave like this. Clear? Now the 16th and the last object for this chapter. So everyone must have heard walking stick of your old grandfather who used to have, or hands of an umbrella, or India's national game hockey stick, or somebody near my town, some of the students who used to say Arwal. You imagine. So just imagine this object. It goes straight, take a turn like this. So you imagine any object. You can relate now easily, right? Now I will give this name grandpa stick. What is that? Grandpa stick. Grandfather, so I call sweetly, shortly by grandpa. The stick which is his. So grandpa stick. Fine. So if I put a grandpa stick between and base line and middle line, in this direction this is 90 degree. Okay. Now I am going to put grandpa stick in 45 degree angle. What is the 45 degree? This is 90 degree, this is 0 degree. So if we bisect, this is 45 degree. It goes straight. The moment it touches the middle line, gently you have to leave like this. So this is grandpa stick. So 45 degree grandpa stick. 45 degree grandpa stick. Just imagine it starts straight. 45 degree straight. The moment it touches middle, Gently you have to leave inward direction. Don't put any hook type or tick mark or whatever it is, okay? Straight, touch, leave. Straight, touch, leave. Imagine you have a current running in this line. So the moment you touch the current, you shocked, turn. Straight, touch, current, shock, straight. Got it? So 45 degree grand pause take. So please write this. So with this, I think you are familiar with all the objects. Nothing to do with any alphabets. Of course, you can get some alphabets from some of these subjects, but you don't have to get confused. It is very easy, as I said. By far the most simplest, easiest and fastest and effective handwriting improvement method. That is what you are going to learn. Are you enjoying? Did you find it easily? Yes. So let's learn, then we will continue with the next chapter. Thank you.